right. Still haven't really washed the body. That's just all the crud from underneath, doing the gum out and stuff. Starting on the interior, there's some spots there. You know what I'm going to actually do? Magic eraser on some of this. So I got the top down. Look how disgusting this was. A lot of leaves in there and everything. You could tell it hadn't been used in a while. I don't think this top has ever been put down in manual mode because it actually had the tab in the middle where you put the tool in, which I've never seen before. That's a nice little piece there. So he did tell me that the top was working. It's a possibility, you know what I mean? Because, like I said, nobody tried to use the tool. So, you have the tool in the front, and then you have the tool underneath there, and then basically you're just putting it down manually. I'm going to have to change the top. It's not a big deal. These seats will probably come out really, really nice. This is just their first initial cleaning. Actually, that ski bag has never been out either. That's exactly how it goes. It's pretty cool. Actually, I'd like to take pictures of that. This is coming. There was like a pen mark here. It's coming along. Magic eraser will get like a lot of this good stuff out. I haven't done this side. Really started on the passenger side. Now I'm just going to work this out and try to clean this thing up because it's really disgusting. So I'm changing the windshield wipers because guess what? There are no windshield wipers. What do you mean? What do I mean? Well, there's nothing there. There's absolutely no blade on there. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. It's funny too because this guy's a pilot, like a pilot, like of planes, and he lets his wife drive this freaking thing. Nah, that's not good. You know what I mean? Like seriously, it's not good. I thought they're supposed to be very analytical and stuff. Actually, I bought my last S4, my B5 off the pilot. That guy was real anal, but of course he was flying like G6s or whatever it is, Gulfstreams. What can you do?